Fenugreek, scientifically known as Trigonella foenum-graecum, is an herb commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine. It has a distinctive aroma and flavor that is often described as a combination of maple syrup and celery. Fenugreek seeds and leaves are used for various culinary purposes, and they also offer potential health benefits. Here's some information about fenugreek. Blood sugar control. Fenugreek has been studied for its potential effects on blood sugar regulation. It contains compounds that may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. Research suggests that fenugreek may be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Milk production in breastfeeding women. Fenugreek is often used to help stimulate milk production in breastfeeding women. It is believed to have galactagogue properties, meaning it can increase milk supply. Many lactation supplements contain fenugreek as a key ingredient. Digestive health. Fenugreek has been used traditionally to support digestive health. It may help alleviate indigestion, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. Fenugreek seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in proper digestion and helps maintain bowel regularity. Cholesterol management. Some studies suggest that fenugreek may help improve lipid profiles by reducing total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. These effects may contribute to cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Testosterone and libido. Fenugreek has been associated with potential benefits for male reproductive health. It may help increase testosterone levels, improve sperm count and quality, and enhance libido. However, more research is needed to fully understand its effects on hormone levels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Fenugreek contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This may be particularly beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Antioxidant effects. Fenugreek is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may contribute to overall health and help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's important to note that fenugreek may interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for everyone, especially pregnant women and individuals with certain health conditions. As with any supplement or health intervention, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting fenugreek or any other new supplement. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and guide you in making informed decisions.